Okay, now you are able to the share your screen and discuss and query. How to know you to know ki how to share screen? Yeah, yes, yes. It is your screen now. I am okay. Your everything is the red. Okay, and just click on the router LTTC router. You are click LTTC router. Yeah, yeah. Click on this. Actually, you are share only this packet tracer, so I am unable to see your pop-up screen. Again, you go to share option and share screen option
Yes.
two. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
able to see your pop-up screen. Otherwise, not possible. Again, go to the share option and click the share screen. I think leftmost is the first. Yeah, yeah. Now, uh, just press enter button. Enable. Go to enable. Yeah. Enter press. Press the enter. Yes, now the command fire, I want to see what types of configuration done in your router. So by which command I can see ki what you do in this router. So command is just show HSOW
Sure.
space running RU. Use of the tab button, keyboard ka tab button. Directly use the tab button of the keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Tab button, keyboard tab button. There is a tab button on your keyboard. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
automatically, if you write 2 or 3 words, automatically whole command will be showing your screen. Now just press on enter. Yeah, press on enter. Continue. Enter press. Yes, yes. Pressing and continue. Yes. Enter. Press. Yeah, yeah. Press. Continuous. Yeah. You have no IP address allotted FA 0 by 0. Okay. Okay. No problem. Just press enter. Enter. 01, you are also no IP allotment in this router. Okay, press enter. Okay, just come out, come by the control Z directly, otherwise 3 or 4 times control Z you can say. Yeah, okay, now out, directly come out. Now you in this router you have no allotted any IP address in your router. So how to allotment of these IP address in this router? So you just go to the configure mode. So how to go in configure mode? Go to the CLI. No, CLI mode. Again CLI. Yeah, here. It is simulator. There is option available in GUI mode. But in the real world, it only done by the configuration from this CLI mode. So for the configuration mode, just you type conf. Conf. Use of the key button, yeah, tab button. This is a complete T terminal, that is T, only T word, terminal. Yeah, use of the tab button. Yeah, the complete command is configure space terminal. If you write only conf space T, it is sufficient because this operating system very smart or and very strong. So automatically understand ki what manager want to type here. So just press enter. Press the enter button. Now you are ready configure any types of configuration in your router. So this time first configuration is the allotment of IP. In this port, fast Ethernet 0 by 1, fast Ethernet 0 by 0. So now I how to reach this particular port, just we type INT. If you use the tab button, so you can show whole command. Otherwise, FA fast Ethernet ID FA 0 by FA ID of the port FA 0/1. You can go any, either you can go 0 by, no problem. It is your hand. Now press enter. In the software manner, you are now standing at the port number FA 0/1. Here we are standing for here allotment of IP. So how to allotment of IP? Just firing the command IP space add. Now type IP space add. What space? again space, IP address of 0/1 as per our planning, 192, right, 192.168.1.1 space subnet mask /24. What is the subnet mask? From no, here computer not understanding meaning of the /24. So you can write 255.255.255.0. Okay. During the IP address class already discussed, because our computer smart devices don't know what is the /24. So how to resolve this problem? You just this resolve by their subnet 255.2, all left hand side to right hand side, fixed bit replaced by the 1, and as per human we write here decimal value of these values. Okay, now just press enter. By default, router port power supply is off. By default, again repeat, router port FA0/1 either 0/, their power supply is off. So now if I want to working, so definitely power supply on required. So how to power supply on? Just commanding the fire no shut down. Now type here no space shut down. Okay. No, shut down is the combine, not take space. No, yeah. Back. Use the back. Yeah. Just press no shut, it is sufficient. Okay. Now press enter. Okay. So this information for you ki link up job. Matlab power supply. Meaning of this is power supply on. Now again one time more press. Yeah. Here I just go to the interface FA0/1, allotment of IP and power supply is on. Now I want to, after exiting this command mode, it will be saved permanently. So what command firing? For the saving, do space WR, that means write. Do space WR. Firing this command, AO operation is automatically saved in your router. Just press enter. Building configuration is okay. That means ki everything is now saving as per your this command. So now exit from this port. You just firing exit. Just typing exit. Yes. Press enter. One port 0/1. You allotment of IP 1.1 is okay. Now same time in the router another port is the 0/10. So again go for another port, INT, same manner, INT space FA0/0. Enter. What IP allotment? This as per our job ad here, I can see this is the 3.0. Na? So in this case, IP add space 192.168.3.1. Subnet is again /24, so space not 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Again power supply how to on? No shut. Press enter. Now for the saving required, do write. One more press and then type do write. Yes. Now exit. Again type you type in end end. Yeah. Press enter. Okay, again one more press. Now again you are under privilege mode. So again now check your all command is now available in router, yes or no. So how to know? Just here again firing do show running configuration. Show running configuration. So running RU tab button and press enter. Okay. Now check again. Press enter. Yeah. Move down. Yes. Now fast Ethernet 0. Earlier you check, you have no allotted IP. It is no IP address. But now you allotted IP address, so 0 shall very as per our planning is very good. Next, enter press. And another port is the fast Ethernet 0/1. It is also allotment of IP. So I control Z and out, no problem. Yeah. Now cross this pop-up screen and again back to the main screen, main packet or project. Yeah. Now you can move your mouse. Yes. Now you can able to see
Yes,
fast
sir.
Ethernet. Both link is up. Link of matlab power supply on, and the IP address allotment is done as per your requirement. So same I here I see for the you just do here another router, this ISP router. So as per planning ISP router, you now just this everything you done by yourself in ISP router. So just click on ISP router. FH0/0 is the 3.2 and FH0/1 is 2.1. So same you repeat. Here not also you allotment any IP. So again just press on this router. Same very fast you can do it. We can I see here, no problem. This is the ISP router BSNL. Very nice. Press enter button. Enable for the privilege mode. Press enter. Configuration mode. No, not required. So already know you are not allotted IP. So just directly go to the configuration mode. Conf space T. Space T. Okay, na? If you are only write CONF, space T is sufficient. Okay, terminal. Yeah, enter, press enter. Not required full writing the command. Automatically your computer understand. You go to the port number INT space FA 0/1. Enter. IP add 192. There is 2.0 na 2.1 na 192.168.2.1 space subnet/24 and 255.255.255.0. Power supply on by which command? No shut.
No shutdowns.
No shutdown. Now want to saving everything by which command? Do write. Do space WR. Okay, na? Press enter. Exit and go to the another port. INT FA 0/0. Okay, press enter. Then again allotment of IP add 192.168.3.2. One already given. Now you have IP from 2 to 254. You can any allotment of IP that not in use. Okay. So here use by default 2 because already in my job at 2. Press enter. Power supply on. No shut. Now saving mode or the do write. Exit. Now go to the main packet tracer.
Sir.
Yeah, exit. Yeah. Cross this screen and go to the main packet tracer. Close this and go to the main packet tracer. Now your both you can able to allotment is done. Same
Yes,
for your computer now. So first come to ALTTC LAN computer PC0. First you move mouse here. I just want to see. Okay, press click. Again I can't see pop up. And now IP config. Press on the IP config. Here already to allotment IP.
Yes, sir. I did it, sir.
Okay. So now close this Again, go back. No, first again share. Share again, please.
Sir.
Go to that main. Yes. Here, new in the testing dialog, new and delete option is there. Is just click on the delete. Click on delete. Yeah. Now everything is now take packet for testing purpose from PC0 to router. Yeah. One more. Okay, successful. Okay. Now
Yes,
again
sir.
delete and clean this option. And same try to laptop to PC0. PC0 laptop. Yeah, laptop 0. Yeah. Okay,
Successful.
successful. Now check PC2 to ISP router. This is also successful. Now check router LTTC to ISP router. First you clean, otherwise you are not able to see. Delete, then check. Again take packet, then sending from this LTTC router to successful.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the local LAN, either LTTC campus, either ISP campus, one router to router directly connected, it is successful. Okay. But if I want from PC0 to the ISP router, yeah, PC0 to the PC2 router, it is not possible. It in the today's session, just we go for how to sort out this issue. Okay. If I go outside our campus to another location, so there is something required protocols, rule and regulation. Within campus, there is no problem. Okay. So now in the today's session, I discuss how to sending packet from PC0 to the ISP router, PC0 to the PC2 router. Are you understand? Yes or no? My question today. Today
Yes,
what I
sir.
session? Okay. If you
Yes, sir.
try here from PC0 to the PC2, it will be always fail this time because there is no mechanism available. Try first from PC0 to the PC0 to ISP. Yeah, same, no problem. It is fail. And many time you try, definitely fail because already telling all of you, if I want to sending communication from online, yeah, you can say one network to another network, definitely it is required protocols, rules and regulation. And this rule regulation is known as the routing protocol. So now we can stop the sharing. Now I start from my side. Okay. So hopefully, Halika, you can also help to other your mate. If you going practically, so slow doesn't matter, but it is learn all of you. So now it is first time you try yourself. So definitely now you are easily understand how to allotment of IP in this port. Okay. So now we session and session this session today. Go for first sharing on screen. Yeah, this is your project. Okay. Uh, Earlier last 2 or 3 session on this project practical base. So in that session, how to allotment of IP on this routers and computers already done. Today in this session, if I want to sending packet from one PC0 to this another ISP router, one PC0 to another site computer, it is always fail because nobody allow without protocol from one location to other location communication. For the this sending information from one location to other location, there is some rules and regulation. This rules and regulation is known as routing protocol. Its rule regulation which allow communicate anyone in another network, you can say location. Okay, so this is there are depend a lot of various types of protocols is available in the world. As in your syllabus, I cover two routing protocols. First is static routing protocol. Second is the dynamic. Dynamic have a lot of routing protocol, but we cover as per only RIP. And second is that OSPF. And the most popular routing protocol other is in India, MPLS. This is name. You don't go confused. Just you just think if I want to communicate from one location to another location, so definitely rule and regulation required. Very simply, okay, you are a student, but you are allowed in your college campus, there is no problem. But if you are go any other location, so without permission, without follow the procedure, you not allowed to the another institute, another organization. In your college campus, everyone, in LTTC, I am free, I go any location in LTTC, no problem. But if any student, any other guest come inside our campus, he he is not free and not feel to free move any location in the campus. So same manner, in the own location there is no problem, but if I want communicate to another location, another network, so there some rule regulation required. Okay, so these a lot of rules regulation is available, and every rule regulation is the depend on the location they will be allowed. For other example, in in our ministry, home of ministry, suppose you want to go to the home ministry office of India, so no easy ki anybody, any public just go to the home ministry office and just directly enter. No, there is some rules and regulations here available. For rules is ki you just go to the sub office, then sub office is allow your case, then will be allow permit, otherwise not permit. Okay, so it's same manner. So this rule and regulation depending on the condition, where which types of communication here are we going for, that is rule is allowed. Another most popular rule is BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, and or one IGRP. A lot of, you can say more than 40 rules available in the world. But here I here write all five is most popular in the world. Even India, all are definitely these all are used. Okay, so first in today's session, just we go for static routing protocol, and tomorrow we go for the RIP. And I request to all of you, please try on your this packet tracer if problem. So today I'm very happy because Hilika earlier in the morning how to this possible. Please. So again, I want I just going for one-way communication. If you are share screen and some problem, I will sort out. If you go practically, it automatically your mind will be work on this. Otherwise, I earlier a lot of video and communication system is available in my network, but it is not okay. Okay, now static routing protocol for today's session, how to implement in our network, just we discuss here. So for this situation, we just give an example, then we apply. Suppose there are two types of engineering college in the India. One engineering college is a general engineering college, and another engineering college is the military engineering college. I and you, anyone, all of you, military engineering college or either general engineering. I hopefully, as per university, this is general engineering college. Okay. So doesn't matter. I and we just a study in the general engineering college, but there are two types of engineering college in the India. One is the military engineering college and another is the general engineering college. Suppose after 10 plus 2 passing the exam, your selection in the general military engineering college. You when we go to the military engineering college, what happen in that case? General engineering I discuss tomorrow, but in the normally military engineering college, if you are join any college, in this case, what happen? Just I diagram, then this plan. Okay, this is the military engineering college, MEC. And suppose Hilika, you are just here, join this college. Okay, and you suppose this is you. When join the you college, you have after everybody know ki engineering will admission 10 plus 2. So in 10 plus 2, you have a 10 close friend. You have the 10 close friend. But you join the military engineering college. But you join the military engineering college. So when join the day very first day, your batch in charge just come in the classroom because it is the military engineering college. So definitely rules regulation is different. Just he came in the classroom and instructs to the all student, dear student, listen very carefully. You are all are here in the military engineering college. So from today and onward, now you are completely dedicated for the national services. So it is mandatory for all of you. No one any times communicate at your family and also forget all your earlier friends. It's a very clear instruction. Again, I repeat, if you join the military engineering college, very first day, class in charge, give one instructions to all of you. It is the military engineering college. That means you are all are here for the national services, and due to the security, it is the mandatory for all of you. No one allow to communicate any time at your family. Number two, you are all are forget your former old friend, 10 plus 2 friends. In this classroom, all 30 students, it is your friends from today and onward. Doesn't matter before joining this military engineering college, how many you have close friend, a very near your friend. Just leave it. From today and onward, you start the new journey. So that means ki Hilika and your team, your matchmate, they don't know each other, but from that and onward day, they all are work together, all are work studies together. They are now as a become new friend and working together, and nobody allow to communicate any time at your family without permission of this military engineering college head. And friend to just the friend to just forget, no friend outside, all friend is your classmate. So here you are feeling bounded, all are feeling I am bounded in this number one. Number two, if you want to go outside, suppose sometime if you are go to outside, so suppose from this college to go outside Delhi. So suppose this military engineering college in the Ghaziabad, and nearby location is the Delhi. So suppose any for any work you want to go to Delhi. So and from this college to the Delhi, we have the three different way. This is the route number one. This is the route number two, and this is the route number three. Okay. So you have three different routes. So if you want some urgent work, yeah, some other work, so you military engineering college had give the permission first, and then he also mentioned you if you want to go Delhi, so use of the route number three. You know ki route number one is the very easy, but you are not allow you go to the route number 1, you go for the route number 3. Okay, so in this case, in this your college, you are bounded two manner. First, relationship of outside is completely banned. Number two, if you want to go outside, so which location and which path used by you already given by the instructor your head. So this such types of mechanism is known as static protocol, bounded protocol. And such types of rule regulation in the communication system. In every city of India, there is a cant area, our border area, India, Pakistan, India, Nepal, India, Bangladesh, India and China. This is about. So such types of rule regulation is static routing protocol. If anybody want to communicate from one location to other location, so that time this protocol will be applicable due to the security region. Because in this, in it, all time communication not allow, only allow for the meaningful communication. So just we go for practically, then we more easy to understand. Here just as per our diagram, then first word and this. As per our project, we have such types of network. This is the network number 1. This is the network number 2, and this is the network number 3. Okay, and this is the, suppose this router is the one student, okay, and this person is suppose I. Router by default sending hello packet. Why router power supply is off is the most important question, because if today when you allotted IP address, so no shutdown used. So that means ki router power supply by default off. Why? Because router port, if power supply on, so by default hello packet sending to the network. By this you hello packet using a lot of energy wasted. So due to this, router power port is off. Okay. So now this person is I. This router connected to the 3 and 1. So 3 and 1 is the own direct connected to this student. So 1 number and 3 number is the friend of this student, but 2 is unknown. So if this router want to go inside the 2, so this person kernel is the give instruction this router. Okay, now you are go for the 2, then it is possible it go for the 2. Same for this router. This router is directly connected to the 3 number and 2 number. There is no problem. But 1 is unknown for this router. So I give the instruction to this router. This is ISP router, and this is the ALTTC router. So I give the instruction this ISP router and this ISP router. I give the instruction this ISP router, you know, you are also go for the this location, then it is possible to go that location. Okay. So now by default you are communicate own network, there is no problem because own line. But unknown network, if I sending anyone, when first required instruction. So such types of instruction you given by the static routing protocol. So I just give the instruction this router IP route. I give the instruction router IP route firing this command. IP route his network. What is network ID of this area? 192.168.2.0, and always ID given by the with subnet mask. Okay. So I just give the instruction this router IP route, you go this network, meaning of this line, via which way? Here only one way, this port 192.168.3.2. Very simple. So I directly go to the practical, so it is more easier for all of you. In this case, this route, this port, and this is the directly connected to the this router. There is no problem. We communicate everything here. But this port is not connected to the this, so he not sending everything here. Just I give this route, go to the this router, firing, go to this network. So then it is able to go inside. And same manner, this router also give the instruction, go to the this network, so then go back here. So now just click on this router, go to the CLI mode. Any types of instruction configuration required to, we go in the configuration mode. So enable conf. Now I am ready for any types of configuration. For the IP allotment, IP go to the interface. Now here just give the instruction to this router, IP route. I just instruction ELTTC route. Go for which network? This network 192.168.2.0 network ID. Keep in the mind, this whole network is known as the first IP address. This is network ID. So I just not for particular PC, whole network allow. This is the, and for which port? This port. There is only here in this my diagram only one way possible. It may be ki sometime another router is available and this is also going. So you telling ki go to the this port. So always your computer from this port and then entry. Okay. So now it is completely it in your hand which port you allow. So by default here is only one port. This is the 3.2. So click here 192.168.3.2 and press enter. Now do right for the saving purpose. Very simple command from own network. I just instruct to the another side network, and same for the this router. Go to the 1.0 by the this port. Click on this router. Go to the CLI. Enable conf IP route. This is the command. Just instruct the my router. Go to the 192.168.1.0 space. Which port ID? This is the port ID. Port ID for the this is the 192.168.1.3.1. Do right. Okay. So now both router is permitted. Go to the your unknown network. So now if I sending packet from this PC0 to this PC, earlier take it some time, but again try. This is the successful. One more try, successful. The first time because earlier it may be take time, but after some failure. Okay, successful. So one time communication stabilized, will never fail. So I sending from this PC0. I want to here. Okay, successful. Okay, now save this. This command in this ELTTC router. What the command on your screen? And same manner, Ghaziabad router you can see here. Okay, here the command. This is the ELTTC. This is another side. Okay. So you just try your computer. Hilika, already your computer is ready. You just firing this command and you just check it work yes or no. And remaining participant, you also kindly do it. And tomorrow, this is the basically this protocol use which location of India. In every city, maximum big city, there is a cant area. There is defense area in your in the city. So in that, everybody if want to communicate, so that time communication, there will be which protocol allow static routing protocol, and national border like one country to another country. There is the also used. This is static routing protocol because in this protocol where we can go and which location by the which path is also clear defined. So there is no any types of fraud, any types of miscommunication is possible. It is very secure. And what is the drawback? And further, for the okay. So you are try, Halika, are you try on your computers? Okay. Tomorrow discuss more and more. If any problem, again you ask and try. Tomorrow go for the dynamic routing protocol. Or if any koi doubt, you can all of ask you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.